Hi everyone, thank you very much for joining us here today. If you're joining us for this video, this is Keegan and Tony from Liquid Retailer. We are just exploring how to get set up with sub navigation, and here we're going to kind of walk through one way to do that using an example site here with one of our customers. To have a sub navigation, if you're familiar with Shopify, you know that you have your collections and your tags, but you might sometimes struggle trying to figure out exactly how to get your sub menus to happen like we see here on this site, where we have dog and cat as the top level categories, and then things like dry food, wet food, and treats as the categories underneath it. So we're going to do this specifically with some of the gift items, just to kind of show how to get that set up. And if anybody has any questions, feel free to post in the comments or give us a call. So I'm going to log into the back end here of their Shopify site, and I'm going to click on Online Store and Navigation. Now, the way that this works is we have that secondary navigation menu called Main Menu 2, and that's what you see over here on the site: dog, cat, small animal, wild bird, gift, sale. And those are all set up right here. Main Menu 2, dog, cat, small animal, wild bird, gift. And then it says one other, which is sale. These are all tied in the software to the titles that exist elsewhere in other menus. So for Main Menu 2, we see dog is tied into the title here of dog. So these two are tied together and linked together just by setting up this new menu item. So for cat, it's linked to cat. For dog, it's linked to dog. And then the sub items are all set up here, filtered using tags. So if I click on dog, each of these sub items, dry food, wet food, treats, bowls, supplies, are set up to link to the items that are in the dog collection and tagged with the tag dry for the dry food. For the wet food, it's the items that are in the dog collection and tagged with the tag wet. So to set this up for gift, what we're going to do, you'll see right now if I just click on gift, it takes me to some gift items, and if I hover over gift, it doesn't have that drop down like it does for dog and cat. So for gift, I'm going to first add a menu here and type in gift. Then I'm going to add a menu item. I'm going to call this wine. And then I'm going to select collection. I'm going to select gift. And then I'm going to select filter collection with tags, meaning only show the items in gift that have this tag that I'm telling it to use. I know that wine is one of the tags, so I'm going to add wine. I'm going to save this. And now when I go back to refresh the page here, I see this little drop down under gift. And under the drop down, I see that it has all gift and it has wine gifts. So if I go back just to review, so Main Menu 2, this is where this menu is here. From there, I have these options: dog, cat, small animal, wild bird. And if I make a new menu that's named any of those things, it'll give me those sub menu items. And then I get to choose for the child categories to filter which products show up based on the tags. So I went secondary main menu with the top level being the collection. Then from there, I added menus underneath it just by the names. And then with each of those menus, I filtered it down based on, okay, in the gift collection, only the items that are tagged with wine in the gift collection. And that's how we get set up the sub menu items to create these more advanced link lists on Shopify. And again, if this is confusing at all, give your e-commerce administrator a call. They'd be very happy to help get you set up. Make sure your nav and your sub menu items are all looking the way that you want them to. Thanks very much for joining us here for this short video, and this is posted, and please check out any of our other YouTube videos too for more helps and tips and tricks about Shopify, Lightspeed, and things to do with digital marketing in general. Thanks very much. Have a great day.